Hey everybody, it's Mike. It's midday update. It's about 10 after 1 Eastern time. This morning we talked about the 100-day exponential moving average on the webcast. We have not been there since November of 2020. We are there now. So the Bears did a good job of dealing with. We spent the majority of the morning up and around the opening area, up and around our proprietary moving average. It broke with a little bit of urgency at around 11:30 and really started to bleed down through. So it's been a day where we've been short. We've been short. We're currently short the 54 area. We've taken some profits. We're letting runners work. I will be very interested. We were just talking in the room about the 100-day. That's your gold line there. Where we close relative to that area. I think that is the key takeaway. So this is what we talked about this morning. Early November was the last time we really dealt with the 100-day. And you've got, you have some decisions to be made down here on an intermediate to longer term basis about how price wants to deal with that. It's never really spent any significant time below the 100-day since the real guts of the pandemic, spring, summer 2020. And that at that point, it was below everything before the bounce. So the other thing I would note is today is September the 20th. September 20th. August 19th, August 20th. 19th, 20th. 18th, 19th. Was this the 19th? So this is around the time every month where we have these little dip jobs. Let's see if this one can hold to the down or whether we're talking by Wednesday, Thursday about a little bit of a pop. There will be a pop. There will be a rally. But like I said this morning and I say every day, it's not about the fact that there's a rally. It's how do the Bears deal with the rally. If the Bears want to make a statement today, close it below the continuation 100-day exponential moving average on the futures. You do that, you're going to get the attention of people that have been taking profits and will continue to take profits, and they'll wait on the underlying stocks to put money to work. They'll let it come in more. But if somebody shoots off the starting gun, that's, this is the time of month and an area where things can get started. So all we're doing right now is, look, I don't pick highs and I don't pick lows. What I do is ride the direction of the tape every single day. And so far today, we've been short 54. We didn't mess with the Globex. We slept through it. It's like a 45 handle day right now, I think. And it's, 1:15 in the afternoon. So we're having fun. I'll be back with an evening recap tonight. And the first item on that agenda will be where do we close relative to the 100. All right. Everybody have a good one. Take care. I will talk to you tonight.